Hello, chosen ones, and welcome back to my channel. Danielle Karen 999 here. If you're new, please subscribe, and become a part of this channel where I upload videos for chosen ones, for peace, love, prosperity, you name it. I try to talk about it, and the struggles, the triumphs, and everything in between. So today we are going to be talking about putting your passions to work. Stay tuned. All right, putting your passions to work. What are your passions? What passion do you have? What is your purpose here? There are times where I get so caught up in doing so many things every day that I put my passion on the back burner. Passion is what keeps us alive. Passion is what drives us to fulfill our purpose. So I want to ask you, chosen one, what is your passion? Passions? What passions do you have? What are you meant for? What really drives you? What excites you? We have to find the excitement within ourselves, within this life, because without excitement, we're going to lead a boring, meaningless life. And we're going to be going through life wondering why we're here and what's the purpose. I don't know about you, but I've been there. I've been there on several occasions where I'm just like, why am I here? What am I supposed to be doing here? Why was I created? It's your passion. It's about putting your best foot forward in everything that you do. So one of the things I'm going to share with you, some of my passions, all right? And I want you to share with me down below in the comment section some of your passions. As you guys know, I've been through a lot. If you've seen my series on my divorce, please, if you haven't done so, check it out. I'll put the link for the right here for the sorry, my nail, look at my nail. My nail came off, but I'll put the link right here for the playlist for my divorce. Listen, I'm going to be very transparent on this channel, and I just want to bring you the real part of me, the real side of me that you probably can't really get through a video, but I'm going to try to do it as best, as I can. But one of my passions is learning Spanish. That's been a passion of mine for years, since I was in high school. I went to high school. I had a Spanish class. I went to college. I took Spanish classes, and then eventually I dropped out because it was so hard. Like, my professor had us reading Don Quixote with no English. Like, it was just no English in the class. It was just all Spanish, and reading the book and explaining it. And I was in Spanish 2 or Spanish 3. I got that far, but by that time, I don't know. It's just like, I can read it, I can write most of it, but speaking it is a problem. So one of the things that I'm committed to doing is learning Spanish. So I'm getting a Spanish tutor. I'm going to be immersing myself in Spanish culture, Spanish classes, being with a group of people that go out to dinner, ordering food in Spanish, going out to Spanish. So this is a passion of mine. And it's a passion of mine forever and ever. So you think, okay, so, all right, so how does that align with your purpose? Well, my purpose is to inspire people. It's to help people. And the world we live in is inundated with different languages. And where I live, well, I live in New York, but America, period, like, the first language ultimately is Spanish. It really is. I mean, it should be English, but it's ultimately Spanish. So, that's one of my passions, learning Spanish. speaking Spanish, understanding Spanish, so that I can eventually connect with people that don't speak English, that only speak Spanish. So what is one of your passions, chosen one? I want your face to light up when you think about waking up in the morning. I'm not talking about just going to work. Going to work takes away your passion. Don't let that job take away your passion. Yes, we need our jobs. And I'm going to talk about that in another video. Why your job is so important. If you have a job, it is important. It is important. But for today's video, let's focus on our passions. What do you play? A violin? Maybe a piano? Do you like to do hair, nails, makeup? What are your passions? What drives you? What makes you excited? What makes you say, ah? What makes you sing? Right? What challenges you? Because passions can also challenge you. They can be hard. Like my Spanish is hard. Learning Spanish is not easy for me. And as I'm getting older, it's getting harder. But I'm not going to give up. I also want to learn salsa dancing. That's one of my passions. I have never done it, but I'm definitely going to do it. And I'll probably YouTube it. I'll probably do a quick vlog when I do it. Probably will be towards the summertime. But these are the things I'm tuning into my passions more. And I want you to tune into your passions more so that you can live a lovely, lively life. That's the name of the game. What are your passions? So that you can feel purposeful. Come on now. Leave me a comment below. We have to start living our purpose. We have to start living our passions, because if we don't, we're going to be going through life and not caring about anything, not caring about how we look, not caring about how we feel, not caring about the day-to-day. It's just going to seem so mundane. We have to get on fire about life. We have to get on fire about our lives, about living and about doing things and about showing up in life. All right? So that's my video for you today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my video. Share this video. Like this video. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Until then, peace, love, and light. Take care.